Okay, oh, this time the click works, right? Good evening, I'm Fausto Bernardini, co-founder and CEO of Dajie. The sharing economy is projected to explode in the next 10 years, reaching over $300 billion just in 5 sectors. Dajie will empower people to share also energy peer-to-peer. But why is sharing energy relevant? Well, more and more people start producing and consuming their own energy, and we are quickly moving to a decentralized energy model. But soon, the government incentives that facilitated so far the adoption of renewable energy will terminate. And the prosumers, those who produce and consume their energy, will be encouraged to increase their self-consumption using batteries, but also to share the spare energy with their neighbors rather than feeding that back to the grid for a fraction of its value. And this will lead to a new problem, an explosion of small transactions that is impossible and expensive to manage with the current tools. But we have a solution, and it's the blockchain technology. The blockchain, for those who are not familiar with it, is a distributed database where transactions are recorded in a chronological sequence and are irreversible, therefore much safer and cheaper because they don't require a centralized authority to validate them. They have been so far used for fintech application, but can have huge impact in the energy field. It may sound complicated, but it's much simpler for the user. Let me show you how it works. You will need to download our software on your home router or another IoT device that you may have at home or that Dajie can provide, and register on Dajie platform. Then, from that point onward, for every kilowatt hour that you produce, 1 energy coin will be automatically generated by our platform and stored in a safe wallet. There are a few applications of our solution, but let me highlight 3 of them. First of all, the prosumers will be finally able to redeem their carbon credits for the CO2 they contribute to saving the environment, something that is impossible so far. Just in the Netherlands, there are over 300,000 prosumers and 6 million euro of uncollected carbon credit. Then, energy companies will be able to use the blockchain and the coins to simplify their administration for the energy and services that they provide to their customers. Finally, communities will be able to exchange energy peer-to-peer in a local grid and neighborhood for a lower price than the market price. The business model that we have developed is based on a freemium platform for prosumers and communities, and for the energy service companies on an annual service fee per customer that will reduce by 50% the current administrative cost. There are many players in the energy field, but very few competitors. And our difference is based on the fact that we have developed our new blockchain solution, which is much more flexible than Ethereum and much simpler. We are on the ground floor of a huge revolution, and this is now the time to join. We are raising 400,000 euro investment, and if you want to join the revolution, please come to talk to me later. Thank you.